on the way to Bali for the first time with the guys. Eating beef jerky. Watch what we do next, nigga.
On this flight, I'm gonna be like
slump. That's the. I hope so because.
No, not slump. Happy. I'm gonna be like.
What else you got? 17 hours.
But nah,
It's
this not
crazy.
bad because we did that to Mykonos though.
No, we didn't.
No. But then.
Mykonos wasn't 14?
No, Mykonos was 9 and then 3 and then like a shot of Don Julio Reposado.
Oh.
Please. We're getting it started early.
To Bali.
To Bali.
What we doing, okay?
Yes, sir.
How was the flight?
Tough as well. Oh my God.
15 hours is not the move.
That shit is
Then we
crazy.
got another whole 10 hours to go.
Yeah, I ain't with it. I wish I could snap my fingers and we could just be there already. I slept for the most as I could, but God damn. Let's see what we got going on in this airport, man.
Where you supposed to go? Let's look right here. Let's see where we going, y'all.
How was the flight?
Amazing. I slept
How's the flight?
horrible.
Don't play with us. We all the way across the world, nigga. This ain't no, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no regular shit. This ain't regular. You know what I'm saying? Take 18 beautiful women across the world.
Not across the pond.
Not across the pond,
world.
across the world. Yeah! Yeah! We outside! Military escort on their ass.
Hey y'all, we in Bali. I mean, come on, stop playing with them.
Hello, ladies. How y'all feeling?
Feeling good. Good.
That mean I gotta learn my Espanol. Espanol. You gonna teach me? You know, they with Playboy, man, so they had to come Playboy pink on their ass. You know what I'm saying? They with the Playboy, so they came pink. They did it correctly. How we doing? Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is my motherfucking house right here. You know what I'm saying? No man to jump. This shit fucked up. But look, we gonna bring you through. We got the gang in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Big dog fresh right there.
Gang.
Let's take you over here.
Okay, so I'm taking strawberry.
No, we gonna go this way real quick.
What ones do we buy?
This is the back, this the side of the house. This light right here. You know what I'm saying? We got the view and shit. We got about 4-5 pools. There's some cool light shit. Nothing too crazy.
Oh shit.
I'm retired.
This nigga is crazy as shit.
All day she's been like, shot. Yes.
What are you?
No, in the kitchen. What did you say?
I said shot o'clock and then I forgot to take one.
Then she's all talk, but she is still
She's
trying to get us to
with
take shots.
ADHD.
Yeah.
Because she remembers.
This nigga.
You're such a versatile person.
Never knew that this would be the day that I die. It's crazy.
You would never have a boat like this because
for
it's
real.
way too small for us, nigga. What are we on? It's a raft, nigga.
You're not supposed to be on these top boats.
It's a raft with a motor on it.
Like, what the fuck?
You're not?
They're on a captain boat at this point.
Like, nigga, I could have driven the boat my goddamn self.
What?
Whose water's open? I don't know.
Oh, man, I thought y'all had a bug or something over there.
I know, I thought so too.
I hope so. It's another big boat.
Sorry, I touched you.
Miami,
Nigga, the waves are over us.
nigga, what's that life vest on that thing?
Guys,
Hey, after this stop, I'm not getting back on this boat. I'm not getting back on this.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'm not getting back on this boat. I'm not getting back on it.
What is wrong with Casey? Hell no, bro. Nigga, Casey! Casey! Then we split the bottle. This nigga look nervous. He look like a catfish, bro. He do look nervous.
Are you wet?
Shit.
Oh my god, you guys are wet over there?
Don't go up there.
Don't go up there.
Hell yeah.
Sit down.
Oh my god.
Hey, get me on this shit.
Now,
This was gonna get me through it right here, y'all. Policy, like a Mary Jane, like a trap nigga. I am that nigga. I'm gonna take y'all on a journey to show y'all these beautiful women working out. Hey, ladies.
Hey!
Talk to the vlog. What you about to do?
We're doing squats, we're doing lunges, we're doing kickbacks for the booty.
Yeah, for the
You know,
booty.
for the booty.
All right, now we gonna let these women do their workout in peace. So right now we on the elephant tour. We about to ride the elephants through the safari. Our instructor is showing us what's going on. You know we gotta keep us a baddie.
There we go.
Keep a baddie.
Guys, I've never seen an elephant in my entire life. I've only seen it in the movies.
Bunny gang.
Bunny gang assemble.
We have to take the motherfucker goddamn the bunnies to see the elephants. You know what I'm saying? It's an excursion, safari. Bunny gang. Bunny gang.
Look at its feet.
Where we at, Ace? Where we at?
We at Bali at this boxing match.
We outside. We had a club boxing match. That's some fly shit. America, y'all need to get on this.
Yup.
Stick it!
What we on today?
Everything. We on bullshit.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Oh, there she go right there.
Get fucked up.
Right there, right there.
Yeah. Hey, 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 hey.
Okay, how we living, man? Know how I do.
My Instagram name is Whitney. WYTNY. Persian P. Persian _ P. Now I'm ready. At At Mayana Catherine.
At Remo His. ¿Cuál es el Instagram tuyo?
Lo digo ahí. Sí. Viviana Raya al Piso LH8.
Bianca Michelle X7. Connie.
CONIAILLON. If I say it, you're not gonna be able to spell it.
Ashley Kimberly _
Woo! Blue.
I was like, you can just blue. You can look at yeah, it sounds like
Great time.
We will be back. Man, Bali, it was real. Fun experience. I loved it. So crazy. Great way to end the birthday. Yeah. Let's get it.
Just like that, we're back home. Trip has come to a conclusion.
Trip is over with, man. But the
Back
summer
in the
just started.
Yeah, back in the MIA, man. You know. Trip has come to a conclusion. Until next time, folks.